Hi everybody, this is Emily from the Netzoom team, here to talk to you about Netzoom's device placement tools. To maximize data center capacity, it is essential that you utilize existing racks efficiently. Netzoom includes the Device Placement Quick Action, which locates racks in view of capacity requirements in order to install devices. Placement can be used with Quick Change Mode, Staging Mode, or Plan Mode to quickly locate available rack capacity for deploying new equipment. This allows you to maximize your rack space usage while simultaneously controlling other capacity parameters such as power, heat, weight, and port availability. First, let's log into Netzoom. Enter your Netzoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. We'll navigate to the Data Center feature under the Change Management tab. This feature includes the Device Placement Quick Action, which will allow us to create device placement profiles and use those profiles to find appropriate placement for our devices. We'll select the Device Placement Quick Action. As you can see, this quick action displays placement profiles in the middle pane and the properties of a selected profile in the right pane. Creating a placement profile is as easy as clicking the plus icon at the bottom of the Device Placements pane. A blank form will appear in the Details pane. Fill out a name for your profile and click the Save button. Notice the capacity chart here. The available capacity column shows the RU, power, heat, weight, and port capacity for the node selected in the Infrastructure Explorer. Right now, the required column shows zeros across the board, but when we add devices to our placement profile, the capacity chart will automatically fill in using the device's properties, so you can compare it to the available capacity in the selected node. We can add devices from our inventory to the placement profile that we've created. Fortunately, I have a device that I think will do the trick. We're going to grab this patch panel and right-click on it in our Explorer pane. And then we're going to click the Add to Placement option. As you can see, the placement list form will pop up. We can select the placement that we created here. And when we click the Save button, this device will be added to that placement profile. You can also create a new device placement profile by entering a new name in this field at this time. We click the Save button, and our device will be added to the placement. You can also add devices from inventory to your placement profile by searching for them using the device's quick action found in the Change Management features. Now that we've added a device to our placement profile, we'll navigate back to the Data Center feature in Change Management, and we will select the Device Placement Quick Action again. As you can see, our placement profile has been updated to show the device we've added. We can see a list of the devices that have been added to our placement profile here, along with check marks to include them in the placement. As you can see, as we check or uncheck devices, our required capacity will automatically update. In this case, you can see that we simply require 1 contiguous RU space and 8 pounds of weight to hold this patch panel. We'll click the Save button to save our placement, highlight the device, and click Find Placement. As you can see, we've got a lot of options here. All of these are cabinets which have the required capacity to hold the device. Let's narrow it down by selecting row A100. Oh, good. Looks like we can add this device to any cabinet in the row. We'll choose A101, and as you can see, when we click this caret here, we get additional details about the model and what position we want to put it in. Looks like we can put it in any position from 20 to 26, as well as position 29 and 32 in the rack units. We'll put it in position 23 for now. Select the position you want to add your device to, highlight it, and click Add to Cabinet. As you can see, the device has been added to RU23 of rack A101. That covers the basics of device placement in Netzoom. But remember, device placement is a powerful tool that can be used to place many devices at once. Please check out our other videos for more tips on how to use the Netzoom product. And if you're interested in trying out Netzoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.